Eh?
Them and the favor in first get older, brother. Team rich, me lose half a hundred to Bumbo Club. Bro, that's not look good, bro. No, no, facts.
Yo, Slyme, where you meet, Annie? You see it?
Team rich, like.
Where you meet Annie, Slyme?
Where she there?
Where Annie there?
No, man, no good, man.
I think me know her, you know. I think she see me.
Oh, understand, no good, no good.
And them not about afraid.
Yeah, them.
You know, yeah, chop us off for one.
One way, we don't know where I go. Who go? Then you see them go something.
So Jayden,
Yo.
they accept in our family and thing?
Yeah. But you have one of them where it shine. I try push me out of the family. Bad mind, yeah.
Who that?
Me feel like you and Chanel would have look good together, Slyme.
Oh, Jabba said.
Yeah, Jayden is the
Emily, all a black,
Yeah, you watch it with that go together.
What Jabba said?
Si Jabba stand live right.
Come tell me, say me.
I'm gonna see him. Give me this too.
First, me I see you.
It's shine.
So, Tita, you want to go eat too much mango?
You know, Slyme?
What you say, bro?
Feel like you and Chanel would have look good together, you know?
Bro. How name Chanel? Let me see her.
Eh?
If you like, should I rate me?
Yeah, bro.
And the link, no, my dog.
I love you, bro.
Line up a link, line up a link.
Eh?
Line up a link.
You want to link?
For the get gas.
Yo, Jay, they must have to run.
What do you mean run?
I don't understand what that mean.
What do you mean by that? Them can't do it, girl. That. Right.
What that mean?
I want this. So while you must turn, we come back.
I don't mean. What do I?
Wait.
What I do?
Yo.
What she do? Me, cause you want. You me want.
I want to eat that.
You are coming. You me need.
I remember that my seatbelt.
As you take a next turn, I take to Jesus, Lord.
Where's the Slyme? Where's the Slyme?
Say what?
Just say something.
Yo, then enjoy fast still.
Why you want to comment, man?
Oh, okay.
Yo, Mr. Real Rich, big up, you know. Sexy, me see you.
Time somebody say your fever mash up car.
Ine.
You might see him all up on there.
Easy, no, dog.
You go back in the sea and you know, come on.
If you like, I feel screen them all up on.
Yeah, you're a screen.
Machine work casino.
Hey, yo.
Yo. Yeah?
Call Annie, no?
Oh, no, other. You know that I said?
Another live?
Yeah, other.
I love me.
And I have an audio control panel.
Shabba, audio control panel.
Bring
Okay, other.
the live I could gear them.
One name audio control.
Audience control, audience.
Audio.
Them say she know the live. I love you.
Go gear her phone.
Yeah, get out the phone.
Get your youths.
Come on, man.
This life is so crazy.
Hey, Jay, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, Slyme.
What's up?
I'm here.
Oh, you know Slyme?
Of course, we know Slyme, Jay.
Alright, this is Slyme, you know? Big up, this is Slyme.
Annie, big up yourself, Annie.
Big up yourself, Slyme. Who don't know your bestie?
No, man, I'm a brother, man.
I know. So where you going with?
Eh?
Where you going with?
So I'm a good looking one, I know.
Annie, talk it through. No, watch out now. Talk it through.
Annie, watch you now. You just know him.
Tell him to top take like me, I come.
Annie!
Yeah.
Oh, where you do, Slyme? Don't raise a voice.
Are you mad at Jay?
Yeah, you know raise a voice, man.
Annie, I love that, you know.
Definitely. Jay, you're missing though, I'm not lie to you.
Sam, you run good on there?
Nadia.
Yeah. Jamal now with them.
For real, man. We are got river and so. Well, relax.
Yeah, man.
No, Joe, stop it joking.
Man, take serious life.
Alright, sorry. Alright,
See you? Everything you take with joke. Slime, you look nice too. I'm not going on you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, Anya, so me know you're hypocrite for you, you know.
Yeah.
Jesus! Me name say look better than nobody, you know. Me say him look good.
Yeah.
She
Oh,
Chanel.
make him know say.
Jayden, you cute, bro. What are we about?
Eh.
Respect sis. She Chanel.
Focus on the road.
She Chanel. Make him talk to Chanel.
You should have accepted you one artist.
Yo, anyway, I don't shoot.
Which artist? When there?
You just send me a request and you decline it.
Okay.
They want to talk to you. Who talk to me?
Yeah, seriously.
No boy.
What's your name?
You want to talk to me for Jayden?
No, Slyme want to talk to you. Slyme. Yeah.
Oh, Slyme.
What on?
No, me there.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Out of me, RJ. Which one cuter?
No, man, him this ain't like you know, so.
Rotted.
She ready for 1 to 10 then.
Jayden cute in her face.
Ah!
Murder someone tell you more, go put in a chip.
No, so Slyme disconnect. Slyme disconnect.
Hey, Batty boy Jabbas, ask with who? Bro, when gone?
Don't box me with him, man.
When gone? I'm gone.
Me don't know where God.
No, I didn't back. Slyme, take run now, bro.
I'm just in my zone, you know.
Chanel, rate him from 1 to 10 then. Look.
Who? Slyme?
Yeah.
Slyme a bleach?
No, natural color that man.
1 to 10.
Me give you a 8 out of 10.
That's tough.
Anyway, me can rate him from 1 to 10.
Black.
Come in, man.
Me can rate him from 1 to 10.
Mika.
If I know how
Slime 7 rating. Slime.
A Slyme.
Slime 7 rating.
Come on, son.
Say 1 to 10, me give him a 9.
Bumbo clock.
That's tough.
Hey, what was it?
You rate Slyme.
Jabbas, make sure when I see one wall, you just go crash in there, please. Yeah? Jump out of the car and just go crash in one wall. Look, yeah? Can't be a fuck with them people I say from the screen, you know. Would I get Slyme on level? Oh, you
Slime whatever.
Eh?
You Slime whatever.
Jabbas, you rate him now.
Jabbas can't rate me.
Eh?
What you mean?
I don't rate whoring girl.
Okay.
Jabbas, when you buy from me?
Girl have to be good. You have to be good girl like Jayden, though.
When you buy from me, Jabbas?
It's nothing but a bitch that walks and fuck every man you can.
Oh my God.
Jabbas, when me fuck you?
You're not my type, bro.
Yeah?
What kind of fish business, man?
I don't know what kind of business you do with.
You're an ugly batty, man. Your favorite tiki. Jayden, if you ever take away dirty, just like with tiki.
Me not gonna laugh. Watching a Jabbas, me not gonna laugh when you try this man, bro. Me not gonna laugh.
No.
You tell me that one day, Jayden, you're a hypocrite, man. Go suck out them.
No, me not gonna laugh, bro, when you do them thing there.
You're a hypocrite. Yo. Hey, man, hypocritical as you.
Why not tell him man about him fat gut? You never seen fat gut yet? You afraid of him?
No, remember I say you don't see it. Remember you don't see it.
So Jay,
Yeah.
you attack more Jabbas?
I don't know, man. You never if you come out so but
He
yo.
say I first one this start bleach and never you. I know you are father him and him a father you. But he say me don't know what do for your skin make it bleach. It looks like I have a tiki when tiki just start bleach. I laugh a fucking deal.
Slyme. It's when man run joke, they want to know how they really feel, Slyme, yeah?
Well, if you want to believe, because I'm not trying to impress you.
Slyme, man not try to impress you. You see? You have to Slyme. You have to know.
I need to tell me, I need to tell me, say, go on, where you go, man.
Okay.
Hear Mika laugh and Mika just...
He tell me, say, I ask me, say, out of you and Mika, which are more favorite tiki. Let me tell you how this truth. Let me tell you, I say Mika have ticky lip, but Slyme kill him dead.
Mika.
What's wrong for me? Jay, me just get my new shot in there, bro.
Eh?
Yeah, man, original Palm Angel, man. That's how we do it, you know. Put it right there. Yeah.
So who now no shot?
Eh?
Another shot, let me see you wear right party.
We're your big old man. But we're shot party, right here.
Another shot, let me see you wear guy party, man.
Let me tell you, Jayden. So, me I go them the thing, you know, bro. I mean, I have to go walk all
Oh, Jabas, Gizuma.
Eh?
Gizuma that shot there.
Yo, every time I drink thing, they must see.
Do my shot them type on him like a blouse.
I'm not tight in tight, I'm belly big.
Oh. Let me go. Annie, man.
Me. Now you drive.
Baba, let me go, you know, bro. I'm going to try to do something for about weird around the town.
Annie.
Yeah?
Slyme say, you want to be a part of the family, you know?
That will never blood clot happen. I'm going to jog him out there.
But we tell him say we have a drug already in the family. You see, we don't tell him say we have a drug already. Some don't know where it's going.
So what Slime are going to be?
I'm going to see Alex.
Slyme, where you going to be? Where you going to be?
Blood clot, you see you?
Where me know me about it?
I must say everybody have an aunt's name, you know. They call it
Jagger Ants.
No, we have one drug already. We can't.
Slyme Ants.
Yeah.
Ants Slyme.
Kappa. No, I'm not Kappa. Runner ants. Something.
You man not runner, bro. Them man are chopper ants.
Chopper ants.
Labas, between me and me never chop nothing yet.
Chopper ants.
Oh, yeah, I'm not going to say they are still.
Kappa ants. How do you go?
Where you know that, Jay?
Kappa ants. Kappa
Where you
ants.
know that?
3-9 ants.
You're afraid I don't say fuck. I'll tell you, Jagger.
I want to fuck up in it already.
I want to tell you, bro.
Yo, man, they try to set me up a fuck down.
I want to tell you, Slyme.
No, man, them can't set up Slyme. Yo.
Remember, say you're pretty, you know.
Around there already.
No, man, they try to set me up, man.
Yeah, man, them try. I read
Baby, good.
them try to set them up for two, man.
They
I like them style, bro.
Man, they say what? Duck ants. No, man, my favorite. The film name of nice. Man, need a nice name.
Annie, no, the markets feel. How it feel?
Yo, Spa, black
Nah,
some of
like,
them,
yeah,
boy.
feel good.
Feel good.
Black them.
Yeah, man, AC a kick, drive smooth and everything, you know?
Remember, say 15 battles long you can't see before you get
Ask Mika what feel better. Markets
bro.
Mika! Give me a iPhone.
When I go like, you know, hear me a call, brother. Come in, man.
Which one feel better? The Markets or Crow? Which one feel better?
I'm charging my phone, brother. When I pass, I blow you, I fly past you. You go wash your shower.
Thomas, move with the whole car.
The channel, one and the channel. Give Jobbers the phone. Jobbers, him.
You know, man, because you know you're not cute, you want to open a phone. Jay.
No.
What do him?
Eh?
What do him?
No, I'm team, my youth.
I'm team, man. I say, in the night, big old blood clot town, I walk and watch him, man, bro. G, I ball back, man, brother. Bro, I don't know what do him in the dog.
I see him, so I see him, so I that wait past. On both sides.
Rich.
Talk to Slyme. Yo, now let's Slyme out of the conversation. You have to go keep Slyme to school.
Which one?
Yo, Jay.
Yeah. Man, I feel left out there. Oh,
yeah, go out with yourself, brother.
When I tell me, look at me,
I can't date Chanel. Yo, Slyme. Yo, you know, can't date Chanel, man.
Oh, Jagger.
Yeah, that Jagger, yeah.
Me not like to talk there. Where me
Right now, better do it on you.
So I'm to Chanel.
Chanel now left him, man, bro.
Okay.
I can take TT, because TT kind of want a break, and bro, but he just want somebody. Annie. We run that front now, so.
Jay, they must say me not fit in, Jay.
Alright, they can.
Yeah?
They must say me not fit in our family, boy.
Nice.
So.
Just hide the face. Just hide the face.
Right, you go see restaurant side.
No WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Give
Channel go on there,
him.
watch man too much, girl. Me say you
Give.
can't watch man.
Nah, man, the dog, them a black them, man.
Give him
Black them,
Mika.
black them.
I must say bright the blood clot.
No, me can't give Mika because Jayden we pray. Let me tell you Jayden today. So when Jayden have a girl all left there left and he's here too close with them, he pray, you know. You know Slyme.
Slyme, then I saw if you go. Then I saw if you go.
You know say one night him man a pray me and a style and he think we don't know but him. Me a try remind him say bad man me no kill listener, bro.
Yo, Jabba, you shock me, though.
Eh?
You shock me.
Good one.
When you tell me, say, Angela shot me.
No, I don't like me I tell him do it, bro. But I troll him and I troll him, bro. You know see.
So what you say? What you say, though?
No, me tell him say you more favor it for true. Me
So,
can't go the lip.
that you think or that you just say?
Me just a work with him a deal with.
So what you think?
No, sir. You see one nice look you we a try, bro.
Nah, I'm big hypocrite, Jabbas.
You just know.
I Jayden teach you be biggest working for you know.
Right, I lie matter. Yeah, me never chat, bro.
Me not believe, you know, but me believe.
So we can believe.
If you don't believe, you know, bro, I feel busy. Watch out. Yo, Chanel, what is that? May I come right now.
So,
I don't want to hear a fear. I see it.
But yeah, you look like none of them no single though.
No, man, I want a single man.
Who?
Who did tell us I'm single?
Chanel, come no man and show your face and stop hiding.
Me not single.
None of them no single at all, boy.
All them single.
Which one
All
of them?
of we single.
But Chanel, the man now say that.
What the hell?
Are you alone as you're taken? Mika single. Come, Mika.
What?
Mika single.
Boy, they didn't look hypocrite, you know.
Mika.
Hold on there. Me gonna day in care.
I saw what Mika there.
So then say them a go river.
No, I'm saying.
Annie single. Annie. Jay. That's not look serious.
Yes, sir.
That's not look serious.
What when I look serious?
TT single. I say, man, Annie on perfect match.
Yeah, you can't try something.
Eh?
Yeah, you can't try a thing.
What do say, Team Rich? What do say?
So where you want to do me? You want me my father-in-law?
No. Yes, Pro Speed, so yes. They must say Mika.
Eh?
They must say Annie. Man love love say Father God. Get the youths.
Chanel.
When on Jayden?
So we can't get a friend, Nikis.
Better mind your woman them see them same thing there.
Them.
What's your Eldino phone are dead?
TT, I want them TT.
Jayden woman.
A TT your name, baby?
No, a Jayden woman that.
Jayden. What kind of family membership you have? Talk to me now. Is it a family or a relationship? Let me know.
Oh, me let me come. I need them on live already.